Oh, it's awesome so far. Yeah, I can't believe it didn't rain today. The LS Fest gods are shining on us today. Mark Siders, I'm at LS Fest. This is my first LS Fest, yeah. It's 63 Volkswagen Beetle, yeah, it's got an LS. It's actually a truck motor, 5.3. It's out of a Suburban 2004. And then I put a turbo on it, 70mm turbo. And yeah, I figured I had a choice between air conditioning or a turbo, and I made the right choice. No, my first car was a Volkswagen, and then I found torque in V8s, and I'm like, what's this? Torque. And so I had, before I had the LS in here, I just had a regular small block. You know, the LS is the new small block. And so yeah, I had a Tahoe, it had one in it, and I'm like, you know, what would be really good is put an LS in the Bug instead of this, and man, did that wake it up. So, especially with the turbo. So I went from old small block, maybe 200 horsepower, 305, to a turbocharged LS, you know, so yeah. You know, Volkswagens are a real good introduction to, you got to work on your car all the time. So yeah, I've done every weld on it, everything. I'm actually a carpenter by trade, but yeah. Well, when I was building my frame, I actually made it out of wood first to fit it. You know, because I'm a carpenter, so I had the wood just to fit it and make the angles and everything, and then I translated that to steel. Yeah, taught myself to weld and went for it. Actually, I've always heard of the LS Fest West. And I didn't know they had an East one, but even now I know that they had the East one before they had the West one, correct? So I was actually watching 1320, Cletus McFarland actually video. And he said he was going to LS Fest East, and I'm like, well, where's that, you know? And I'm like, oh, that's only 5 hours away. I'm going. so yeah, I didn't even know about it. So, oh, it's awesome so far. Yeah, I can't believe it didn't rain today, because I mean, it's looked like rain all day. So the LS Fest gods are shining on us today. So I'm ready. My wife isn't ready for me to go fast, but yeah, I built this like under the radar, and she's like, it has a turp? What is this? Nothing, don't worry about that noise. She's like, what's that noise? First time I took her for a ride, what's that whining noise? Nothing. Don't worry about it.